Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I'm here to encourage you about holding your trades and telling you that swing trading really works. For me, what changed in my trading is when I train myself to hold the market. I've been talking about 5 things. Know when to buy, know when to sell, know when to hold. So let me focus on holding, because I'll give you the reason why you should hold the market. The market is not the same. Sometimes you may enter a buy, sometimes you may enter a sell, and the market may not work according to the way you want it to do. So you have to have patience if your analysis are well. So I'll give you an example. Last week on Monday, I'm talking about last week, I gave some signals on my VIP group, but the market tend to go opposite. The structure was fine, everything was fine because my analysis on a higher time frame, but the market started buying. There was sell. I had given a sell, and I kept telling them, let's hold. You're being trained on how to hold the market. And then we hold it for 1 week. No money. We didn't make money. For me, even if I did make money, I would get in positions and then close. But for the accounts that I swing, I could not touch those trades. And then yesterday, I did give a signal on USD CHF. Guys, if you watched that video I did about market analysis, weekly market analysis, I told you guys USD CHF from higher time frame, it will be selling. And yesterday I dropped that signal in my VIP group. And I told them, this one, it is dropping 160 pips. So you have to train yourself how to hold. And yesterday passed, we got 50 pips. Then the market started to buy and we were patient. Right now, we have just closed that USD CHF because it was slightly like 10 pips away to hit our take profit. And I don't want you have like 140 pips given and then you're like, oh, I will wait my take profit. I told people to close. So I want to show you what made me hit my weekly target by far. Like I made almost 65,000. That is 600. I made almost $600 plus other small accounts. So in my weekly target on all my small accounts, I made almost 100,000. And these are trades that I have been holding. Guys, if I tell you holding is powerful, I'm still holding on other pairs. Holding can give you money. So if you come to trading, come with that mindset. So I want to take you through to why I decided to hold, what gave me the confidence, because even if I come here and I show you my wins and I don't explain, it won't help you guys. But if I tell you, wow, I saw this setup and I knew I'm ready to hold. So if you're watching this, let us discuss why I gave USD CHF and I told people it will drop more than 150 pips, and it did the same. So watch this video. I hope you will enjoy. I hope it will motivate you. I hope you'll start trying to hold. If you have been losing, try swing trading. Swing trading, it is less stressful and it will train you to be, it will give you character development. So let's get into USD CHF. So guys, this is USD CHF and you can see a very clear double top. Very clear double top. And this is weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame, guys. I'm on weekly time frame. So when I was doing my analysis on weekly time frame, I had seen this double top long time ago. And this is my neckline. All I was waiting is this neckline to be broken. And you can see the neckline has been broken by this candle. So let me try to remove that. So this red candle broke the neckline. So I knew because my neckline is broken, then I used BWA strategy, which I show in my mentorship only. BWA is a strategy that gives you even more confidence to enter sell immediately without no worry. I knew USD CHF will drop all the way. So this was the setup on weekly. I already know the market will sell. And now I'm going to I was going to 4 hour to see now the house in 4 hour. What is it all about? Because even if the market was to sell, I need to be in line with 4 hours. So let me show you how 4 hour look like yesterday when I gave the signal. So this was my 4 hour. So when I came to 4 hour, I found that the market was on this channel. So even if on weekly I was on a trade, was on a sell, the channel was not broken on 4 hour. So immediately when I entered that trade and I gave the signal, I measured this distance. So this will be my first take profit, because I knew if at all I wait for the market to break here, we'll never get, like, it can't break with a small candle, it will break with a very huge candle. So I will target this distance. So the reason why I told people to come out, it's because almost the TP was hit, but the TP of this market according to weekly is way beyond, like, it is here. But you know, every time the 4 hour has to break somewhere, they have to retest. So for me to hope in again on USD CHF, I want to see that retracement, and then now I can sell again. So this was a very quick sell. The way I was telling you, if you know how weekly candle works, you can get on Monday on a very quick sell and get almost 160 pips. So only this candle is 150 pips, only one candle. So yesterday we entered, we holded the trade, but because I knew it will come to this zone, that's the reason why you can see the market is approaching, and I'm sure it will hit our TP, and it might even continue, because according to weekly, it has to go all the way here. So that was the analysis, and that's why I had confidence to hold this trade. You see, this trade I gave yesterday, in one day we have hit TP, but there are trades you will enter takes 5 days. The other trades you'll enter take 1 month. The other trades you enter take one hour. So how long it will take, it does not depend on you. The only thing that depends on you is to get it right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.